Hey, good evening, guys. Praful here, and welcome back. And thanks for joining in. Today is the 1st of April, the first day of the financial year. And what a day today. So, yes, market saw a huge up move towards the end of the day. The market was pretty bullish right from the beginning. And though I don't care if the market's bullish or bearish, I trade my normal style no matter what, day in and day out. And that discipline has helped me immensely throughout my journey, especially this financial year. And yes, it was just a 10 minutes trade. Look at this, like 9:20 per minute trade enter liya, and 9:35 pe I'm out of the trade. So it's a 15-minute trade. In in a span of 15 minutes, I made around 35K, which turns out to be around 12 points. 3,000 quantity the. They were on different strikes. But once this day's high, which it had formed, once that got breached, so I thought I had no business staying in the markets because जितना डीके होना था वो ऑलरेडी हो चुका था एंड आई डेफिनेटली हैड टू कम आउट ऑफ माय पोजीशन बाय कैप्चरिंग द टारगेट फॉर द डे. तो अराउंड 12 पॉइंट्स मैंने कर लिया है. यहाँ पे आपको 30,000 दिख रहा है. दैट्स मेनली बिकॉज द कवर्ड कॉल अगेंस्ट माय शेयर्स आर ब्लीडिंग, बट दैट्स ओके. इवन इफ वी कंसोलिडेटेड द लेवल्स और मंडे को थोड़ा पुल बैक आएगा, डजंट मैटर बिकॉज ऑलरेडी कवर्ड कॉल में मैं लास्ट वीक भी प्रॉफिट बुक किया था, उससे पहले वीक भी प्रॉफिट बुक किया था. तो इवन इफ आई ब्लीड दिस टाइम, नो प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज आई एम ऑलरेडी कलेक्टिंग अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट्स फ्रॉम द एक्चुअल शेयर्स. जो निफ्टी 20 मेरे ईटीएफ है वहां पे ऑलरेडी प्रॉफिट हो रहा है. So now, talking about the monthly performance for the month of March, I'll take you to my console right away. Console पे जाएंगे, reports, P&L, futures and options, and for the month of March 1st to March 31st. So this has been the month. The realized profit is somewhere around 6.15 lakhs. And this time, I think this month has been the month where I've paid plenty of charges, almost 90K में charges दिया, and that's mainly because of this week. ये जो week में काफी ज्यादा मतलब volatility थी market में, and this was completely war scenario था, and the market was hugely volatile. If you look at the markets here, if you look at it, look at this. We made a high of 15,700 on 8th of March. The market has been extremely volatile from 17,500 levels to we fell to 15,700, and from 15,700 we are back to 17,700. So almost 2,000 point ka swing tha, and even on an intraday basis, the market has been hugely volatile, especially the options. So because of which I had to make a lot of adjustments, and because of those adjustments, the charges have mounted a lot. So especially in this week, ये सिर्फ ये इस week में, for example, if I just go into that week starting from 10th to around 16th, 10th to 16th के बीच ही काफी अच्छा around 23-24 के इस lost period में मतलब गया है, and I lost a decent 1.5 lakhs in this period. And in spite of that, in spite of losing around 1.5 lakhs in a span of 4 days, so I ended up somewhere around 6.15 lakhs, which turns out to be around 70 lakhs ka capital tha, which turns out to be around 8.5%, and post charges it turns out to be around 7.5%. 7.5% post charges. So it has been good, and I tried to trade all the days, and थोड़ा बहुत छोटा छोटा losses भी लिया मैंने यहाँ पे. And other than that, the Mondays and Tuesdays have been decent, but last week Monday and Tuesday मैंने trade नहीं लिया, and even on this day यहाँ पे भी मतलब मैंने trade नहीं लिया. Apart from that, the Wednesdays have been a mixed bag. So if you look at the Wednesdays, it's 40,000, 40,000, minus 42,000, minus 20,000, and around just flat 6,000. So Wednesdays have been a mixed bag because Wednesdays, last दो Wednesdays तो काफी weird premium सा behavior था. There was no decay whatsoever, and the market, though the market was in a very tight range, there was absolutely no decay, and because of which the delta movements and the reverse IV spike, so it created a lot of problems. So yeah, that's the summary for the month. Not very happy with the way I'm paying the charges, so I need to figure out a way to reduce the charges. That's mainly because I'm trying to be a little adventurous on these Thursdays. So if I have to be honest, so every Thursday I've been paying around 10 to 12,000 charges. So 12,000 यहाँ पे, 12,000 यहाँ पे, तो सिर्फ Thursday का ही मतलब मेरा almost 60K का मतलब मैं charges दे चुका हूँ, and rest of the other days तो अराउंड सम 20k 30k चार्जेस आ सकता है. आई एम ट्राइंग एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग सम थिंग्स. आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी close to the money. I'm trying to be at the money, though on a gain basis I'm just getting like 2.5 3%, sometimes 3% max, but apart from that I'm getting 2.5% on most of the days. But still I feel that the charges I'm paying for 2.5% is still pretty high. So it's been almost like 10% of my profits as charges. I mean, this, I'm not saying 10% of your profits is too high, but there is a scope for improvement. That's what I can say. There is a scope for improvement. This can definitely go down, but considering a month where we were almost at the verge of World War III and whatnot, and so much of volatility that was playing out in the markets, I'm quite happy with how the month went. 8.8% pre-charges and 7.5% post-charges. Pretty happy with how the month went. So from next month onwards, I'll be shifting this entire account into a corporate account. तो मैंने company private limited company खोल दिया है. वहाँ पे corporate account भी शुरू हो रहा है, and I'll be shifting all this. I might have to trade with a smaller capital till this entire transition happens, or probably I might have to take a week off till the entire thing settles out and the entire transition happens. So I'll let you guys know over the course, and yeah, I hope you guys also had a good March, good last month of the financial year, and I hope you had a great entire financial year. So yeah, let's hope for the best in the coming financial year, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.